Today we're gonna make a universal side dish. It's low in calories, it's packed with hidden vegetables, and it goes well with everything. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter, your favorite cooking channel. And today, I'm actually so excited about today. We're going to make like a universal side dish. It really doesn't matter what other dishes you're gonna have on the table. Maybe you're making like a gorgeous lamb roast, or you're serving up a fish or seafood, or just like a vegan table with lots of different veg and different ingredients. This dish has to be on that table because it goes well with everything. It's so easy to make. It's only like a handful of ingredients and it's delicious. I almost forgot to mention one teeny tiny but crucial detail. This side dish is quite light. It's not high in calories. So what you can do is you can really afford to have an indulgent main dish and serve it together with this side dish that's just gonna elevate the star of the show without making you feel heavy or full or giving you like anxiety about calories. I'm gonna put down the lemon because I've just been throwing it around all the time. So it's basically a variation on mashed potatoes and peas, but the mash is gonna be a cauliflower mash. And we're just gonna zhuzh up the cauliflower because it tends to be quite bland. With like a mix of spices. I love to add like lots of pepper and nutmeg. And then we're just gonna boil and then fry up and brown the peas with the shallots. Did I say shallots? I did say shallots. I meant leeks. We're gonna be using this guy, and we're gonna be using both parts of this guy. We're gonna be using the green part with the peas, because they go together, and the white part with the cauliflower. You see? You see how it's like a gorgeous little color arrangement? Be careful with leeks, because they tend to like collect a lot of dirt inside, so wash it thoroughly. So we par cook this, we steam this, and then we introduce them, and then we plate them and we serve them. And we just enjoy. Guys, I want to talk to you about something. Give me like 1 minute of your undivided attention. The peas. Make sure to add the lemon zest and the lemon juice because it really brightens everything up. If you have mint at home, add some fresh mint. It goes beautifully with the peas. And the mash. You could follow the recipe and just use cauliflower, the onion, and the white part of the leek. But what you could do is you can hide some protein in there. Now, I have a recipe for a cauliflower steak. I'm gonna link it somewhere here. Go see the video because the mash there is a little bit different. It has different spices and it has 2 secret ingredients that add a lot of fiber and a lot of protein. I'll try. I love it when the peas get some color, like some charring. It is banging. It's so good. What I also like to add to keep this dish vegan is you can totally add some nutritional yeast to the cauliflower mash, and it gives that like cheesy flavor but without the calories and keeping it vegan. This is delicious. What I also love about this recipe is we're kind of trying to save time. We use the same water to parboil the peas and to cook the cauliflower. Make sure to reserve some of that like cooking liquid because it does have flavor and you can use it to thin out the mash. And I just love that we're using a whole leek. It's not that many ingredients, but then you get this beautiful dish. And again, it pairs well with any food. Shrimp, tofu, lamb, beef, you name it. It's gonna be good. Let me know if you try this recipe. Let me know if you like this recipe. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. You wanna try this?